Yeah, welcome.
So, good afternoon to one and all, dear students. Today we have Dr. Vasile Golube with us, and today we are starting a lecture series on the grid characteristics numerical method and its application to seismic wave problems. And it is very beneficial to both BTech and MTech students. And sir will discuss you, all of you, and he help you also if you have any difficulty. So now I request Vasili sir to start the proceedings. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Juramit. So, first of all, let me introduce myself. So, my name is Vasily Golubev, and I'm currently a research scientist, senior researcher at Moscow Institute of Physics and Technology at the Laboratory of Applied Numerical Geophysics. Uh, this institute is situated in Russia, near to the Moscow, the capital of the Russia. And the goal of our group is to develop an effective method for solving a dynamic problem of deformable elastic or viscoplasticity or something like this model media. So uh, today we start our course. The duration of the course is 1 month. We will have 4 lectures, and during this course you will be familiar with the basic concepts of numerical simulation, uh, and we will discuss in details one particular numerical method called the grid characteristic numerical method, or